I'm Jemiah, and today I'm gonna be eating this little seafood plate. We got this on Dixie, and yeah. So what comes in it is crabs like this, potatoes, sausages, shrimp, and corn, stuff like that. And it comes frozen, so you would have to like boil it all right there. And I actually made my own. My mama made hers. She not doing a video. I'm doing a video. But first what I'm gonna try is this potato. It's good. Good and spicy, and I like the sauce of it. Pretty good. Alright, next I'm gonna try the shrimp. So there's like garlic butter sauce on the side, so I'm gonna be dipping it in that. So, and then I have a plate on the side that I'm gonna be putting my peelings on because I don't want to mix my peelings with my food, I guess. And yeah, but like I said, I don't know if I said it right, but I'm 12 and I turned 13. So show me that.
Some more shrimp and crab. I'm a crab.
There's some butter right here.
Got some crab. A crab.
I'm not a big fan of the corn. Not a big fan of it. But
Crab.
okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna be trying the sausage.
Crab now.
I like the sausage.
Crab.
Alright. Next I'm gonna try the next I'll be trying the crab. And here is corn crab. I don't really
Crab right there. A crab.
go back. Go play.
I eat it.
Don't mind him, y'all.
I'm not eating. I'm gonna take the meat off. I'm gonna take the thing
I
off.
like the way I boiled it because I put some of that.
Got some of this.
But stop. But I put some. I put slap your mama in there. But I put some slap your mama. It's good. 13, December 3rd.
Yeah, I can get hours to be at a job. Book like 12, 15 hours a day, that's ridiculous.
It's actually not a big fan. It's good. So I tried everything, and I would say the best thing on here, the best thing in my plate probably is potato. And especially when I put it with the sauce on the side. I'm gonna eat another shrimp.
Some crab.
But yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Oh wait, I said I'm not putting got my little bun. I don't. Y'all eat the legs, or do y'all take it off, or do y'all eat it? I don't know. But I know I take them off. So everybody should do that. I don't really eat seafood with people. Well, yes I do. I do a lot of people, but I don't really pay attention. So like when I'm eating it, I'm only worried about my food. I'm not worried about like who's standing here, who's sitting next to me, who's eating that. No, I'm worried about when I'm eating that. 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Well, tell people like, comment, subscribe, end it.
I did already.
Send it in the video.
All right.
Right now.
All right. Bye.